Hello and welcome back to this channel. In case you're new here, what I do on this channel, I do a lot of tech reviews, geek stuff, and specifically I do lots of online tutorials as well. So make sure you sub to show your support of this channel. In today's video, we're checking out one of the most annoying features of the brand new iPhone. It is this. It is missing this button over here. The button that you click and press on. So I was able to hack the Apple iPhone and put a button on it right there. Not only it's a button, it actually moves. How cool is that? Let me show you how you can do this yourself and how this feature actually works. So if you have the iPhone 13, 12, or even the 11, or even the X, one thing you're missing is the home button. So what I was able to do is to add a home button, and the cool thing about this specific home button is that you can drag it anywhere you want. Not only that, take a look at the cool function of it. So you press on here and you can go through the different kind of messages and you can close all of them down just like this, which is awesome. I couldn't really do this before. And also we don't need to swipe anymore to get everything that we want. So for example, if I open this up, I press on this button and it goes out of here. We press on it again, double tap, and it comes right back in. Wow, that is cool. So pretty much I get the whole home button for all my needs, and the coolest thing here is I can move the whole button anywhere I want. Right here, right there, right there, right there, and right there. And this is my favorite spot right here. Now the fun part. To set this up, what you have to do is first of all, go to settings. In settings, we are going to keep moving until we press on accessibility. Over here, you have to go where it says touch. In touch, over here we have a menu that says assistive touch. You're going to be turning this on, and then after we turn this on, the assistive touch over here, we're going to go where it says single tap, press on it once, go all the way down where it says home and press on it once again. After you do this, you should have this button show up over here, and you can just move it around and drag it exactly where you need it to be, such as right here or right there. Voila, we are done. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel to see other cool videos.